And just thinking about how much things have changed over the past few years with the pandemic, people working from home, that desire to be in the same room or even in the same region or country has waned a lot. Presumably that has helped with people thinking, I don't have to be in the same room as you, and I could be using augmented reality.
The more we can create that feeling of connection of two people in the same space and give them those tools to collaborate, that is really going to be what lights up augmented reality. We have so many communication platforms, and if I just want to have a conversation with you, we can pop onto any number of them. But when we want to collaborate together and figure out how to work on something, design something together, that's when augmented reality becomes really incredibly powerful, because we can both be working on the same model while we're on two different continents and sharing that with other people who are also not in the room with us.
It's so interesting because I can remember a number of years ago doing a session similar to this at a tourism conference, and one of the things they were very concerned about was that virtual reality and augmented reality might replace tourism, that people would decide that they could stay at home and experience the pyramids or whatever it might be from home. And of course that has not happened, because the experience is still there, and partly because people decided that the Instagrammable nature of a lot of these places was actually encouraging people to travel.
Absolutely. I think it could be a great tool for introducing people to new places and helping them get excited about going. I think once you're there, augmenting those experiences with digital content that can walk people through history and point out different things while they're walking through the physical space would be incredibly powerful.
Yeah, so like a guided tour once you're there.
So instead of having an earphone do it as you go to the museum, imagine having it come to life in front of you with digital content. Those will be powerful use cases in the consumer space when we get there.